Alright, so my name is Miriam Schindler, and my video project is on eons and eras that existed in Earth's history. So let's get into it. This is just a draft. So first existed the Hadean Eon, which was 4.6 billion years ago and ended with the appearance of first single-celled organisms. As the Earth was extremely hot around this time, it is named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld, and water is believed to have been present, but it would have likely been boiled into steam. Now this brings us to the Archean Eon. This was 4 billion years ago, and the cooling of Earth's crust happened at this time. It's also believed that land masses were supercontinents. Some scientists believe it was and others believe Valbara. The first single-celled life organisms developed, known as stromatolites, which are approximately 3.5 billion years old. This also includes the start of the New Archean era, which is notable for the start of photosynthesis. That brings us to the Proterozoic Eon then, and this was 2.5 billion years ago and ended when complex life forms emerged. Before that, though, notably, the Great Oxygenation event happened, which was the impetus for this complex life. But before complex life, multicellular organisms first developed, and this was usually seen in the form of algae fossils. Earth's first glaciers also formed around this time, and some scientists believe in a theory called snowball Earth, which means that Earth's surface was entirely frozen. Now that brings us to the Phanerozoic Eon, which is the most recent eon, 540 million years ago to the present. And during the earlier part of the eon, the Cambrian period, complex life starts to emerge. And we see this take the form of mostly aquatic organisms, such as trilobites and arthropods, and some other periods, the Ordovician period, fish, cephalopods, and corals also first appear, which dinosaurs and amphibians eventually evolve from. And so in this eon, we have the Mesozoic era, which was 250 million years ago. Dinosaurs were on top of the food chain at this time, although they were eventually wiped out during the K2 extinction, which wiped out 75% of life on Earth about. And this cause of this is believed to be a meteor, which is cratered, can be found in present-day Gulf of Mexico. And finally, we have the Cenozoic era, which is 66 million years ago to the present, and this is the age of mammals, which became the dominant creatures after the dinosaurs were extinct. And diversification of mammals happened, including evolutions of humans. The first humans lived around 2.8 million years ago, but modern humans first appeared around 300,000 years ago. And this is a short period of Earth's time. Humans have only inhabited this planet for about 99.9% of Earth's history. And these are my references. Thank you for watching.